Hey, I'm out here in Sargent, Texas on the Gulf Coast, and they have this unique looking bridge called a Corkscrew Bridge. I think there's only two of them in existence, but that's the Gulf of Mexico right over there on the other side of those barricades. It's a very, very narrow island on that side. They didn't have room for a traditional bridge, so it's kind of like a big parking garage bridge on each end. You go up the loop, you can see the cars coming down over there on the ramp, and they just came across from right there. So everybody's going up and around the bridge, and I'm not sure what station this is. It's got some radar, some spotlights, so I'm not sure if it's tied in with Coast Guard or what it is. I'm sure somebody will watch this video and tell me. But I've been watching barges come through and fishing boats going through at high speed. And if you need any fuel, they got fuel right over there. But anyway, got a drone video, as I said earlier, and we'll post it up here in a little bit.